Hello, this is your channel, Sosanasa One. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to measure the voltage from this battery using this digital multimeter. In this case, this is a digital multimeter model 33. This is very easy. This is a fire and security battery. This is the use of this battery. The voltage from this battery is 12 volts and the current is 5 amps hours. For measure the voltage, the leaf voltage from this battery, we are going to use this digital multimeter. The first step is choose here, like this is a 12 volts battery, we are going to choose 20 volts. This is the voltage limit. In this limit, this digital multimeter is going to measure from 0 volts to 20 volts inside the direct current voltage that is from this point to this point, this mode. Move the selector and choose 20 volts. Now our digital multimeter is ready to measure. This is very easy. Use the color. In this case, the black is the negative and the red is the positive. And connect each one with each one. For example, introduce the black with the black, like we are watching. Introduce here. And now introduce the red with the red here. Ready. And watch the digital multimeter screen. In this case, we are watching 12.10 volts. This means this battery has enough energy but needs to charge the battery. Because if the number that we read on the digital multimeter screen is the same that is on the battery, this means we need to charge the battery because the battery hasn't enough energy in this case. In this case, this battery is good. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel Sosanasa One in English. Share this video, give me a like, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa One in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.